Today I will open this slime 2025. Let's start. You need to put it in the table so it can't mess up. So let's start to open it. There's some little surprises. There's a cloud, a starfish, a snake, a kitty cat, a unicorn, and also a seahorse, a puppy, and a mermaid. So let's start to open it. Step 1, put some water. Step 2, shake it. And step 3, put the animal in it. So, start. It looks a little noisy. Let's get out the way so it can't pop in my face. So, hi, today I'm opening this giant thing. Yeah! The slime, and it looks so pretty. I didn't even know I got this slime, and I got it in California. Yeah! This big slime, and look. There's so many decorations. This is very hard. So can we open this, Mom? Oh, the animal fell. What is this? What is this? A poopy?
A poopy?
Yes.
I don't know what that is. Is it a poopy?
Yeah, it is.
Oh my goodness, it is a poopy.
This is so cute. I wish I could go on.
What is it?
A cloud silly like the queen and
And the queen? Oh, and a seahorse?
where's the mermaid?
The mermaid's supposed to be in there. Did it fall?
But where's the horse? They got me. Wait, these are decorations. I need decorations. I can't wait. I'll do the pink one first. Okay. We're gonna put them here. I got pink, blue, and purple. That's all the colors, so I'll open it. Can you help me? Okay, here, and this one here, and this one. Hey, let's switch. Go. Okay. Can I open this one? Can I open this?
Okay, so we have to open this just a little tiny bit. Just like that. You pour some water in the cup.
Okay, I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
Because I can't pour it.
Okay, I'll pour this part. All right, and then you pour this in here.
Okay.
Pour that in here. There we go. Maybe a little bit more because you spilled. That's good. Put a little bit more. All right, now let's put the top back on it. Right here. Grab the top. Let's pop the top.
Can we shake it? I'm shaking. All done?
Are you all done?
Yeah.
I don't think you're all done yet. Keep shaking.
No, I'm all done.
You're all done?
Yeah, my arms are hurting.
Let's see. Shake, 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 shake. All right, let's see. Open it up. Need me to help you?
Yeah. Ah!
Oh no! Oh no, wait, 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 don't touch it, don't touch it. Oh.
We don't want this in here. We don't want it in here. It looks like snow. Hand snow.
Oh my goodness, it's all over the place. Grab the fork and mix it.
Okay. This is very dusty and crusty, musty. I got one in my eyeball. This
It's
is
getting all over the place.
yeah. We can make Nene look at this and Nani and Nazo.
Yeah, this is all over the place.
Oh no.
Is it working?
A little bit.
It's super gooey.
Yeah, I can't even mix it. Yeah, so yeah.
It's so gooey.
Oh, look at this mess. Ay, ay, ay. Gooey and messy.
Yeah, I don't think this worked.
Need to put it back in there. Oh, it's not getting out. Get off me.
Whoa.
We was trying.
This is all over the place.
No, we are supposed to make it beautiful. Yeah.
Now what do we do?
I don't know. Let's wash our hands, I guess. I gotcha.
Ugh,
I gotcha.
I don't know if this was a good idea.
Ew. Yeah. It's gooey and ewy gooey, feely sewy. Ugh. I wish we could have a great idea, but we got a bad idea. What going to do?
But you got stuff all over your clothes.
Oh, these are for Christmas. I wanted to sleep with these for Christmas. And what happened? I messed my Christmas stuff up.
Well,
Wait
it's not Christmas anymore, so you're fine.
Wait a minute. I can keep these on because it's like snow, so I can keep it.
It came off?
Yeah.
It's not sticky anymore?
It was sticky. Now it's just pulling off. We can't even do a string. Okay. That's Mom, let's stretch it. Hold it. Stretch. Mom, I was trying to do it. Okay. Stretch.
Let's put some of your stuff inside. What do you want to put inside?
Because it matched. Can I put this inside? Okay. Put it in. Oh. The bowl. You. Oh. To make something gooey. So put this in and we're outside. So let's do it. Oh, a bell. How did it all fail? I was trying to stretch it, but they fell. Why they fell like that? I think I need to stretch them more. Like that. Ooh, yeah. This is the best time ever. having me to mix it. Hey! 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 Oh, no. Why did I keep falling? Thanks for watching my... You need an adult to clean this up so I can't get messy. Yeah! And that's it. Bye. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching Cruz's video. Bye!